Alright, good morning, Rusters. Yesterday I received a package from Lazada, which I ordered, and there were two packages. One of them is, what I ordered is the wireless headset microphone. And I received a message that I have to show when I unboxed it for them. So I think I'll upload this in YouTube because unboxing most of the time is in YouTube. This one is no brand. This shipped from China. It says that wireless home headset microphone, professional wireless headset microphone. I'm looking for the brand and there's nothing. But we'll see what this stuff can do. I'll open it. Just take the tapes. There you go. But I'll show you here. I think there was here's the user manual. I think this one is the receiver. It has adapter for a mini jack. I think for if you're using a cell phone or a little one, I think this would be the one. But I guess you have to use this one for the headset and for microphone. Let's see, there's a sign here. Yeah, you're going to use a headset. This is the transmitter. Oh, it has battery on it. It's okay. This is the microphone. I think you have to put this microphone. Let's see, open it. I think this one goes here for the transmitter. Put it here, and then you can use it. And there's two microphones. One is headset type. I think this one goes here like that. I think that's it. And a charger cord. I think we have to test it and make a video on testing it, how far it can go. It says here that it can go as far as 100 feet. Looking at it, the details, it can be used for iPads, cell phones, speakers, cameras. Yeah, I think that's it. So this is the wireless headset microphone. I'm gonna use this later this afternoon on our Christmas party, I think. So that's it, Brusters. Thank you very much for watching.